In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the PHP version on your HostGator cPanel. First things first, you'll need to log into your HostGator cPanel account. If you're unfamiliar with this process, head over to HostGator's website and look for the cPanel login link. You'll enter your credentials here, which you would have received when you first set up your hosting account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a myriad of tools and options. Next, you'll want to navigate to either Select PHP Version or MultiPHP Manager. You can typically find these options under the Software section, nestled among various other utilities. The specific option availability may depend on your HostGator plan, so don't worry if you don't see exactly what I'm describing. They ultimately serve the same purpose. Now comes the important task of choosing which domain you want to make updates to. If you're managing multiple domains, take care to select the correct one, as choosing the wrong domain could inadvertently affect a different website. You'll usually find a list of your domains within the MultiPHP Manager or Select PHP Version page with checkboxes or drop-down options that allow you to specify your choice. Once you've pinpointed the domain you want to update, move on to selecting the desired PHP version from the drop-down menu available. This menu lists various PHP versions that are available for you to use. It's a good idea to opt for the latest version that your website supports in order to ensure optimal performance. Keeping your PHP version updated is crucial because newer versions often comprise bug fixes, improved performance, and security enhancements. After selecting your preferred PHP version, make sure you apply or save the changes. This action initiates the change process. Usually there will be a button clearly marked with apply or save, sometimes even confirm. Ensure you click this to implement your changes effectively. With the version change applied, it's prudent to test your website for compatibility. To do this, simply go to your website and navigate through a few pages. Check that everything loads correctly and swiftly. Pay special attention to any custom or dynamic features within your site, as they are often the first to experience issues following PHP updates. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the PHP selection page in cPanel and try a different version or consult with your web developer for assistance. And there you have it. You have successfully updated your PHP version on HostGator. Remember, staying on top of these updates is a wise practice to keep your website running smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and if you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.